the latest strands here, the vaccine delays, of course, when everybody was already excited for this MGCQ to possibly be happening on March 1. Does this matter pa ba, reopening the economy even further? Because what we have seen is that even when the economy was reopened slowly, the consumption was still not there.
I think the biggest challenge would really be the restoration of the previous economic vibrancy, and then of course, the unemployment rate has to go down and go back to normalcy. But that's not going to happen. We're still suffering from the health crisis, and that is really the key, the vaccination, so that we can prevent the, especially now we have this UK variant, and Pasay is on lockdown, several barangays. So the market is quite concerned about all of these things, but that doesn't mean that there is no upside for this market and that there is no team. I
Mm,
I am very bullish about the market, very constructive, because we will be on our path to normalcy, and the vaccines are going to arrive and it's going to be implemented, and there's no way but back to recovery. So you'll have the team really is a recovery place, and this is the time to accumulate and to invest. It's just that you have to have patience with this market, because we have our own pace in as far as the return to recovery and return to normalcy. We have our own pace. The other countries may have
mm,
started very quickly. We have our own constraints to operate with, and that could be our budget, that could be our politics, it could be the logistics that we have. The view is that 2022 is going to be a lot better than this year. This is a year of
mm.
consolidation. We have to be patient.
Okay.
We've got to pick up the best stocks this year. This is the opportunity to buy.
Okay. Tina, do you feel the same way? Even as NEDA Secretary Carl Chua said that we don't need more stimulus to come into play, and actually just by reopening the economy, it should be all right. Are not market investors really betting on more stimulus to, as you mentioned, spur some action here?
Mm-mm. Of course, investors are always looking for anything that could reflate the economy. There is this thing such as a reflationary trade, and that's been very popular in the US because Biden has this $2 trillion worth of fiscal
Correct.
stimulus. We don't have that here. It's just being pushed in Congress for 120 billion.
Mhm.
But that is one thing that's really exciting the market if it comes true. But of course, the economic managers are always concerned about fiscal sustainability. We cannot just spend, 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 because the virus is going to be like here a lot longer than we would want it to be, and so they're trying to be very conservative with the finances, and we have to keep our triple B rating. That triple B rating plus, and that gives us access to foreign financing, which is
Mhm.
very much needed now because we don't have the tax revenues as robustly as before, and that is
Okay.
key really to sustaining the economy, the funding.